If you've been looking at luxury property in Tucson, Arizona, you may have noticed that there's quite a difference in what you can get for your money in the different suburbs around Tucson, Arizona. Well, hang around with us today. We're going to take you inside this beautiful luxury property in the Tanque Verde area and show you what you can get for your money here.
Let's do it.
Welcome back, or if you're new to this channel and you want to learn everything from A to Z about living in Tucson, AZ, then click subscribe and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market in Tucson, Arizona. Hi, I'm Jennifer Smith and this is my husband,
Justin Smith.
And we've helped hundreds of people just like you move to
and from
Tucson, Arizona. So whether you're moving in 12 days, 12 weeks, 12 months, we've got you covered. Give us a call, shoot us a text or an email. Let us help you make that smooth move to Tucson, Arizona. All right, so before we take you into this stunning luxury property in the Tanque Verde area, let's talk a little bit more about the area, right? So Tanque Verde is northeast of Tucson, and it's kind of settled right in between the Santa Catalina Mountains and the Rincon Mountains. So you'll just notice it's a very beautiful area, a lot of greenery, and a little bit more quiet than some of the other suburbs of Tucson. And I think that's mainly because there's not a lot of space here for them to do new construction or anything, right?
Yeah, not really much commercial space. I mean, we're not too far away from some great shopping and restaurants. So
yeah,
you're you get the pleasures of the city within about 15 minutes.
Yeah, so anything that you can need, you know, there's a Safeway within about 15 minutes of here. If you need to go a little bit further to like Costco, Home Depot, those kind of stores, you know, within 20-25 minutes, you'll be there. So you get that, you know, quiet country kind of feel without being too far from the actual city of Tucson and any of the amenities you might need.
Yeah, it's amazing. Like right now, I can't even really hear any traffic, and it's barely windy, and you can hear the breeze blowing by. Like it's something else.
And we're right here, you know, very close to the base of Mount Lemmon. So if you're looking to cool off for the day, you know, we do get into the hundreds and sometimes even the 110s here in Tucson. So if you want to, you know, 20, 30 degree drop in temperature, you can drive up to the top of Mount Lemmon within about an hour. And they do have like the ski lift up there. You know, it even runs during summer just to kind of show how beautiful it is up there. You can ride it and just check out the scenery. They have a great little general store that has some of the best fudge that I've had, at least here in Tucson anyways. They have a hotel up there if you want to stay. You can camp up there. There's a lake. What else? There's the restaurant. I mean, really, just you can spend the whole day up there.
Yeah, and even if you don't plan on going up there very often, you still get to enjoy seeing the mountains from pretty much most spots of Tanque Verde. I mean, yeah, most homes are built with either views of the Rincons in mind or views of Mount Lemmon. And it's just neat how you look at those mountains and you can see how the topography, how all the vegetation changes as you climb the mountain just from sitting at the bottom and looking at it.
Yeah, and so that allows for some great hiking options as well. So if you like hiking, that draws a lot of people to the Tanque Verde area as well. There's hiking trails all along the way up to Mount Lemmon, and people even go up there for rock climbing. So if you're looking for something a little more adventurous, I guess, than hiking, you can go rock climbing. We have Tanque Verde Falls within about, you know, at least the start of the hike within about 10-15 minutes.
Oh yeah.
So definitely a lot of really, really great options over here as far as outdoor activities. All right, so now that you know a little bit more about the Tanque Verde area, let's talk about the house. Now, if you've paid attention, we've actually released a video recently about some new construction. It's one of the only new construction subdivisions, luxury subdivisions here in the Tanque Verde area because there's not really any other space to build. But today we want to show you this luxury property to see what you can get for something that was built in 2005. You know, this one offers 3,420 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, and it's sitting on 3.34 acres. So that's another thing that brings people to the Tanque Verde area, as well as this being horse property, right?
Yeah, in fact, a lot of homes in the Tanque Verde area are zoned for horses. There might be different deed restrictions on the properties, but this one in specific is okay to bring your horses to.
Absolutely. And something that we always remind people to check out when you're looking for homes in the Tanque Verde area is if it's in a floodplain, because unfortunately with all the greenery and everything else around here, some of the properties are going to be in those flood zones. This one that we're going to take you into today is not listed as being in a flood zone, but we always do a little bit more research as we dive in.
Oh, absolutely. And look out for riparian areas too, because, say you do want to bring your horses here, but there's a large area of vegetation that you need to clear out for the horses.
Yes.
If that happens to be in a riparian area, you may pay quite a bit more for your permits.
Absolutely. Okay, so we've talked about the property and the area. Let's take you inside this stunning luxury property listed right now at $1,050,000.
Let's check it out.
All right, so as you step in, I mean, this door right here is absolutely amazing, but off to what would be the left wing of the house, you have a large spacious den, and notice the hand-scraped wood floors, gorgeous. And as we come back out into this living space right here, you're gonna have a gas fireplace. Notice the slate floors. You even have a little wet bar over here. And we're gonna have the primary bedroom. So let's check that out. Very spacious. You have access out to this stunning backyard that we'll take you to in just a moment. The ensuite with plenty of closet space. You have the dual vanity. You have this gorgeous, gorgeous soaking tub with this picture window looking out to the beautiful desert scenery, and an amazingly huge tile shower. Now, when you come in off to the right of the entry, you have a formal dining space. Notice the beautiful stained concrete floors in here that really just blend with that gorgeous slate tile that's in the rest of the house right here. You have another eat-in dining area and this amazing gourmet chef's kitchen with the granite countertops. You have the cherry cabinets. You have top of the line stainless steel appliances with the Sub-Zero fridge. You have the Wolf gas cooktop, that's the 6-burner, the built-in ovens, and then another living space over here as well, what would be the great room with another gas fireplace, and just the windows that just let in so much light into this property. High ceilings. You're gonna have garage and laundry access over here. And then the 3 bedrooms, which I really like how these are laid out. So you have a bedroom here. Your closet for this bedroom is actually gonna be in here with the bathroom, which is a Jack and Jill shared with another bedroom, which has the spacious closet here. And then you come into another bedroom over here, which has access to another bathroom, but this would also be considered a guest bathroom because you also have the access through the hallway. Now, I saved the best for last, of course. We're gonna take you outside to look at the stunning backyard and see what you get for 3.34 acres. All right, so as I mentioned, one of my favorite parts, this huge, gorgeous backyard with all the natural desert scape. You have a walkway over here with a cute bridge over to a putting green. This large covered patio with these stone-faced pillars. The slate from inside is continued outside here to the patio. You have a built-in barbecue with the granite. You even have a sink over here. And it's huge. I mean, definitely great for entertaining space out here. And it's so tranquil between, you have this great fire pit over here with the seating area. You have a pond water feature. So you just hear that, that water trickling down. And really over half of the property isn't even included. You'll see it beyond the fence right here. It's just they left it natural desertscape right there, but you do have this great fenced in yard. So as you can see, they have really just done an amazing job already on the outdoor space, but there's still plenty of room if you want to make it yours. And like I said, add in a pool, or if you want to have horses here because it is property, you have so much space to be able to add the stables, arena in this area. All right, so thank you for sticking around with us while we showed you this beautiful resale luxury property in the stunning Tanque Verde area. If you or anyone you know is thinking about moving to or from Tucson, Arizona, make sure you give us a call, shoot us a text or an email. All of our information is in the description below. And if you could, give us a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and tap that bell for notifications. We'll make sure we keep you updated on the current market in Tucson, Arizona.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.